All right, guys, now put your hands together as we start naming the Division I Hurricanes. Our first player we're calling out is Dalton Walker. Followed by Austin Aliota. Followed by Tristan Felcher. Followed by Dylan McEthan, or Ethron, sorry. Followed by Jordan Navarro. Followed by Jace Faucher, can't pronounce it. Followed by Brooks Clark. Followed by Devonta Waddy. Followed by Brendan Santana. Next we have Isaiah Riggins. Followed by Jordan Herod. Followed by Derek Rodriguez. And then followed by Jacob Gorman. And then we have Emilio Quinones. And our head coach, Will Thurman, followed by his assistant coaches, Will Spolkinson and Tommy Santana.